For what feels like forever, right? Software engineering has been that golden ticket. One of the most secure, future-proof careers you could possibly have. But over the last couple of years, the ground has started shifting dramatically. And it's all because of AI. So now the big question on everyone's mind is that golden ticket about to expire?
I mean, think back to the early 2000s. This was the promise. The feeling was, hey, if you can write code, you've got a skill for life. And this wasn't just some idea in a classroom. It was the core belief for millions of developers who were building their careers and, shaping our entire digital world. And then, bam, this happens. Just 2 decades later, the CEO of GitHub, we're talking the biggest code repository on the planet, he declares that programming itself is moving beyond these specialized languages and into simple human speech. This right here sets up the huge conflict we're digging into today, the collision of a guaranteed past with a radically uncertain future.
All right, so here's how we're going to break this all down. We'll start back in that golden ticket era, and then we'll look at the old school workflow before meeting the new AI teammate that's changing absolutely everything. We're going to tackle that coding is done prophecy head on, explore humanity's irreplaceable role, and finally, imagine what it means to become an architect of the future. Let's do it.
Okay, let's rewind a bit. Before AI really jumped into the scene, building software was a much more manual process. It was almost like a craft. It was all about deep, focused, and, let's be honest, often incredibly tedious human effort from start to finish.
So this was the classic grind, right? It was pure human effort. Every single step, from sitting in long meetings to gather requirements, to sketching out data flows on a whiteboard, to manually creating every single project file and writing every line of code from a blinking cursor, it all required a person. And then came the bug hunt, a manual, painstaking process of elimination that could take days, sometimes even weeks.
Okay, fast forward to right now. AI isn't some far-off sci-fi concept anymore. It's a daily reality for developers. It's woven directly into the fabric of modern software development, acting less like a simple tool and more like a collaborator, what we're calling the new AI teammate.
So that old manual workflow we just talked about, well, this is the new reality. It's been totally supercharged. AI now touches every single one of those stages, from the initial spark of an idea all the way through to deployment, and it's fundamentally changing how software gets made.
So let's start at the beginning, planning. Now, you could feed a bunch of scattered meeting notes and a few half-baked ideas into an AI and get back a structured, professional requirements document. Or, get this, you can take a photo of a messy whiteboard sketch and have it generate a clean, perfect architecture diagram. And there are even code-base-aware AIs that can instantly analyze an entire project to tell you the best way to add a new feature without breaking everything. Wow.
And this is where things get really crazy, in the core act of coding itself. Instead of starting from scratch, you've got app generators that can scaffold an entire project for you, complete with a user interface that actually makes sense. Inside your code editor, tools like GitHub Copilot aren't just suggesting the next word. They're suggesting entire functions, whole blocks of logic. Need to refactor some messy code or add error handling? It's now as simple as just asking for it in plain English.
And it doesn't stop there. Let's look at the final stages. AI can generate entire suites of tests, though, to be fair, it's still best at the happy path. When the user does everything perfectly. Those tricky edge cases, yeah, you still need a human brain for that. For debugging, you can just paste a cryptic error message and ask the AI to explain what on earth it means. And all that tedious configuration for things like Docker and Kubernetes, AI can generate those complex files for you. It's a huge time saver.
So with all this crazy automation happening, you can see how a much bigger, much more dramatic idea started to take hold. Leaders at the very top of the tech world have started to suggest that the act of writing code itself is becoming obsolete. And this is the coding is done prophecy.
I mean, just let that sink in for a second. This is a truly shocking statement from a leader at Anthropic, one of the world's top AI companies. He's comparing AI-generated code to compiler output. That's the low-level machine code that programmers literally never, ever look at. He's basically saying AI code will become so reliable that having a human review it will just be a waste of time.
And look, this isn't just talk. This chart shows you exactly why this is happening so fast. We're looking at a benchmark for real-world coding. In late 2023, AI was basically useless. By early 2025, it's projected to hit the level of a mid-level human engineer. The trajectory here suggests we could be approaching superhuman levels of coding automation in the next year or so.
It's an exponential curve happening in real time.
And it's not just one guy saying this. You've got echoes of this from all the big players. The CEO of AWS predicts a world where most developers don't code by 2026. NVIDIA CEO says, hey, everyone is a programmer now. Meta CEO is targeting the automation of mid-level engineering work. A clear consensus is forming among these industry leaders. A massive shift isn't just coming, it's already here.
So, okay, is that it then? Is the golden ticket officially torn up? Well, not so fast. To really understand the future, we have to look past the syntax, beyond the code itself, to the skills that AI just can't replicate. This is where engineering, in the truest sense of the word, really happens.
And this is maybe the most important idea in this whole conversation, the great divide between coding and engineering. See, coding is the mechanical act of translating a well-defined idea into syntax. It's the what. But engineering is the conceptual, creative work of defining that idea in the first place. It's the strategy, the system design, it's the why. AI is rapidly swallowing the mechanical part whole, but that conceptual part, that remains deeply, uniquely human.
And you know what? The data from actual developers on the ground totally backs this up. Sure, over half are using AI tools now, but look closely at that note. Of those who do, a massive 70% are making changes to what the AI suggests. They are not blindly trusting the output. Human oversight, critical thinking, and judgment are still absolutely essential. They are the engineers, not just coders.
So what is that human advantage? What are the things that we still bring to the table? Well, it's about taking messy, ambiguous, real-world problems and guiding a machine toward an elegant solution. It's about designing entire systems that can scale and last for years. It's having empathy for the user, collaborating with other humans, office politics, and making those critical ethical judgments that an AI simply isn't equipped to handle.
So where does all of this leave us? The role of the software engineer isn't disappearing. It's evolving. It's moving up the ladder of abstraction, from a hands-on builder to something much more strategic. It's the evolution from a coder to an orchestrator. This right here, this is the key takeaway. The engineer of the future isn't going to be valued for how fast they can type, but for how well they can direct and coordinate all the resources they have. And that includes powerful AI agents to solve a meaningful problem.
And what does being an orchestrator actually mean? Well, it really breaks down into three new roles. You've got the visionary, the one who defines which problems are actually worth solving in the first place. Then you have the bridge builder, who connects different teams, tools, and parts of the business. And finally, the leader, who guides teams of both humans and AIs toward a common goal.
And this quote, man, I love this. It just perfectly sums up the new dynamic. AI is making the basic tasks of development accessible to more people than ever before. It's raising the floor. But that doesn't make experts obsolete. No, it challenges them to push the boundaries of what's possible, to focus on true innovation, and to raise the ceiling. So you see, the engineer isn't being replaced. They're being augmented, elevated. The focus is shifting away from the mechanics of code and toward the art of creation, strategy, and leadership. The golden ticket hasn't expired, but it now grants you entry to a very different and, you could argue, a much more exciting future. The only question left is, are you ready for it?